All right, now listen, she's on the spot because she didn't realize she was dressing up for Halloween. There's been 3 people come up and said, I saw the same safari hunter costume online. I almost got it, but you beat me to it. And what'd you say, Bill? I'm a dog? Yeah, well, roof. But you know what? People say, why are you so mean to Kari? Why do you give her such a hard time? And the truth is, because she deserves it. I mean, it's because I'm projecting. You told me that one day. He set me down after a show one day. He goes, he speaks Australian, so his English is not very good. But he sat me down and he said, listen, mate.
I said that, yeah.
Yeah. And he said, let's throw some shrimps on the Barbie, and that's not a knife, this is a knife. And then he proceeded to tell me, I think the reason you lash out at Kari so much is just projection. Because she's got all the talent, and you got all the good looks, and you just wish you were as talented. But no, she is very talented. I love the way she does this next song. And it's a popular song. There's a guy basically did the same song. It's like the laziest song I've ever heard in my life. We don't do that version. We do this one because it's a lot better. Here's Kari Nelson.